Losing weight can be difficult for both men and women. It is well known that this process for women is much more difficult. As a result, most women follow the usual slimming diets that do not work for them because they are intended for men. The Venus Factor 2.0 weight loss program, created by John Barban, is dedicated to women who want to get rid of the fat, lose weight safely and effectively. The Venus Factor 2.0 suggests that the system comes with a different video, audio, ebooks as well, which altogether make it hassle-free for any woman to get rid of that additional weight and stay fit. Venus Factor 2.0 is one of the most effective multi-week diet plans that women can rely on. Helping women to lose weight faster, this guide paves the path for one to get rid of the stubborn fat fast. Consisting of proven methods, this guide helps one to become productive as well. It works with the leptin hormone, which is accountable for digestion and weight loss in women. Being different from other supplements and guides available online, this program enables you to burn fat and gain the desired look in no time. The Venus Factor 2.0 PDF comes with a 12-week plan, following which you will have a better idea about how you can lose weight fast and how you can control your hunger. In addition to all these, the Venus Factor diet comes with a nutrition calculator that tells you the exact number of calories that you need to save. The Venus Factor 2.0 is most comprehensive guides available online for women to lose weight faster. Get it now, official link given in the description.